Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys, it's me again back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to use picture-in-picture feature of your Samsung Galaxy. Now, if you are a person who likes to watch YouTube videos, this is for you. Now, how are you going to enable your picture-in-picture feature? Just click on settings and then click the search tool icon and then type it down, picture-in-picture. As what you can see it, there is an option picture-in-picture. Just tap on it, scroll down, and then picture-in-picture option, and then you can see there the applications that you can use in picture-in-picture. Just toggle it if you want to enable it or not. And now let's try it. Just click on it, tap and hold, and then after that one, that's it. So you can now have a picture-in-picture view or features of your cell phone, and then you can drag it up, you can also drag it down, and as well as you can also open other applications while you are watching your YouTube videos using your picture-in-picture feature of your Samsung. And then if you want to remove it, you just need to drag it down, and you can see there remove. Just drag it to the bottom, and that's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.